morning. Oh, wow. First time of me talking this morning. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry about my voice. I'm getting over a cold right now, but I thought that I would just bring you guys along because I have a couple of things that I need to do today. Goodness, my voice. I need to go to the bank. I also need to go to the store. Things that I don't really want to do, but I'm gonna do. I also wanted to show you guys, like, do y'all see these cute little braids? Let me get my chair over here. I slept with my hair in braids last night, just like these little French braids, and I'm so excited to see like how it's gonna turn out. Oh my goodness. Oh, it looks so cute. That is so cute. That is adorable. How does the back look? You know how whenever sometimes you put your hair in braids and it looks like you slept in braids? I think this kind of looks like natural. Like it kind of looks like my natural curls. Like I don't know how bad it looks in the back. So a lot of stuff has been happening lately. As y'all can see, I cut my hair and I am obsessed with it. Which I do have that video if you want to see how I cut my hair, because I did this by myself. My mom just kind of fixed up a little U shape in the back because I wanted it to be straight across. Another thing is my birthday was last week, so I had one of my best friends come over. We went to the zoo. Pause this video right here and I'm going to show you our little zoo adventure. so cheesy. The zoo is so much fun. That's like one of my happy places. You guys know the beach is my all-time favorite happy place ever. We couldn't really go to the beach because it is cold. That's all right. So we went to the zoo instead. While we were at the zoo, there was this lady that we talked to who was giving us a whole bunch of information on like the wildlife, especially like with the elephants. So I took a little video of like the habitat that was happening, and basically what she was saying was that you don't know that certain products has this particular material in them that causes them to tear down the forest and just the areas that the animals are living in. She was just saying to please be aware of what you eat, of what you put on your body, because a lot of it was like skincare and stuff and makeup. So it was very eye-opening because I never really realized that. And I cannot remember like the exact things that she was saying, but you can definitely look it up and you could see like what materials are in certain products so that are hurting the animals' environment. She said it's not like they are on the brink of extinction, but it is taking away their home bit by bit, and then over time they won't have a place to live anymore, and then they will go extinct. Bringing awareness to us, which I'm very happy that she did. So now that I pretty much got you guys all caught up, let's get started with the day, because now I am procrastinating because I do not want to go to the store. Like, I really don't want to go. I just want to lay down on my couch and watch movies, but not gonna do that. We're gonna be a responsible adult. I'm doing literally like the no makeup look today, which is totally fine. I just don't feel like it. So I'm going to try to head off to Dollar General first, see what they have, because I also want to get myself a Coke because I need some caffeine. Hopefully they have what I need, because if they don't, then that means I'm gonna have to go to Walmart. I really don't feel like going into a huge store right now. Like, I have been spoiled on the Walmart delivery because I love it. Like, if I don't have to go to the store, then and someone else can bring it to my house, like that's just gold. I used to love going to the store, and now I'm just kind of like, oh, do I have to? So that I am safe while I am driving, I'm going to just put on some music, and I will talk to you guys in a bit. All right, I am here. Now let's go do some damage. Goodness, I hate spending money, especially whenever I don't have it, but what are you gonna do? It's stuff that I need. Well, so I got everything, not everything, it didn't have my contact solution, which means I'm gonna have to go to Walmart, which I'm not too excited about. It had every other contact solution except for the one that I used. And I'm like, are you kidding me? Oh well. So I got my Coke though. It was like 16 something. So like, how much was everything? The Coke was like $3. Oh, that was very expensive. Okay, that makes sense. All right, onto the bank and then onto Walmart. You know, like whenever you're sick, you can actually like hit the low notes. So like, I've been singing a lot of like Billie Eilish songs lately. Don't you know I'm no good for you? I'm just like, I can actually hit those low notes with ease. Anyways, just like a little side note for the day. If you're sick, sing the deep parts. It's fun. All right, so I finished at the bank, just made it to Walmart. One more sip of this and then I'm gonna head on in. Dang it, now I really need to go to the restroom. Ah! So I kid you not, I went in there to get contact solution and coffee creamer. Those are my only two things that I needed to go in there and get. I told myself, don't get sidetracked. I got sidetracked. I found this cute little pumpkin candle. I'm not kidding whenever I say I walked around for an hour just trying to contemplate whether I should buy this candle or not. I ended up not getting it. I was so proud of myself. My brain is just not here. Like, I cannot function right now. Like, I feel like I am just in a fog and a daze. Like, I'm low-key about to have like a little panic attack right now, and I'm not saying that as in, oh, feel sorry for me or anything, but that's just like how anxious I am right now. Like, not even gonna start driving yet until I calm myself down. Maybe it's not a panic attack, maybe it's like an anxiety attack or something, but I tell you, I'm just gonna, I just need to take a second. I need to calm down. I need to get my mind back in order because I cannot drive whenever like my mind is like this, because I feel like that's just dangerous for one, but it'll also like I could get into a wreck if like I just make wrong decisions. So I just need to be aware, prepared, and just alert. Like that's what I feel like right now. I just don't really feel alert. This is why I don't like going into stores. This is why I like the grocery pickup. Like I don't have to worry about this. I don't get anxious, and I'm just like I could just stay at home. And then I don't buy stuff that I don't need. I absolutely love my dad. I just ran into him. We both got home around the same time. So we were just talking out there. I don't know if you guys have ever heard this, but like putting Vaseline on your lips like feels absolutely incredible. And it is just like so much better than chapstick in my opinion. I still cannot believe that I walked around for an hour trying to figure out what to do. You know what, I think it's also the fact that I did not eat anything, and it's, what time is it? It's like almost 2 o'clock and I have not eaten anything all day, so maybe that's why I was feeling kind of like a little woozy, a little faint after shopping. I have some work that I need to do. Like my house is a mess, as you can kind of see. I still have dishes in the sink. I have like cups out. So it's just like, it's a lot of stuff. So I do want to kind of tidy up my house a little bit. It's not bad, but I do want to tidy it up a little bit. Especially like my bathroom, because this little guy makes it a huge mess. Oh, don't rub on my tripod. Anyways, so I will probably do that, and then I'll probably sit down and just like enjoy some TV because I'm tired. I really don't want to clean, but you know what? We're gonna be productive. We're gonna be productive today. So let's do it. Okay, I'm exhausted now. But I didn't know if y'all realized, but as I was cleaning, I actually have like a different setup. Like I changed up a few of my decorations. I don't know what was the last thing that I showed you guys, but here's one of the things. So I changed up this. I ended up adding my fallas here underneath the TV because we did hang it up. Hello. We did hang it up, so I had all this room under here. So I ended up moving these candles as well, which I can't remember if they were here or if I had it over there by that decor piece, but this is what this looks like now. And this little guy, I can't remember where he was, but anyways, I just kind of changed it up. I added my little pine cones from outside.
the two tall candles and then the little bitty plants just to add a little bit of greenery. I'm not completely sold on how this looks, but it's better than what it was, so that's that. Then over here, I got a cute little new cookie jar, and it's layered, so you can get like these cookies, or you could get this cookies, or whatever have you. It is just so cute. I am obsessed with it. And then right here, this is the same this is the same setup, but I took the brown piece that was around here away, which I put that, excuse me, what are you doing? You are so cute. All right, you gotta move though, buddy. It's like, no, Mama, don't make me move. This feels so good. Okay, up you go. Come on. All right. So this. All right, so this is where I ended up putting my little tray, and I really like this setup so much better than, you found your way in there again, than this basket. It's just, it looks so much more, I don't know, grown up, I guess. But I'm going to get me a new tray because I love the way that this looks, but I'm going to get me a wooden tray, no longer a basket. And I think that would look so much better than adding the little greenery. Just kind of pulls it all together. I am obsessed with the way this looks. And the last little thing is I added just a few books underneath here. And this is like one of my favorite books right now, Fates. It's kind of like a fictional thing, and I absolutely love it. It's a little love story, but I added that. So that is pretty much it. As far as like the decor goes, I just kind of switched up just a few little things, and I really like the way it's turning out, and I'll probably change it up as the fall gets further along. I mean, it's only October, so we'll see where it goes. Guys, we made it to 900 subscribers. I am just blown away at that, and I am just so grateful. You guys are just absolutely incredible. So if you're not subscribed to me, please subscribe so that we can make it up to that 1,000 mark. I am so excited to finally hit that. So yeah, please subscribe so that you can get us one step closer and you could join our little YouTube community. And don't forget to leave a comment so that we can talk and chat. I try my best to talk with all of you guys, but yeah, all right, before my storage runs out, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I hope that y'all are safe and well, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye guys.